Hi guys, today I will be showing you my refrigerator cleanup and organization. So if you guys would like to see how I clean up my refrigerator and organize it, just keep on watching. Well guys, so here is my refrigerator right there. And as you guys can see, it needs to be cleaned because it is messy and I don't like it. I'm going to focus the camera right here so that I can get a before picture. So as you guys can see, there's just stuff all over the place and it's not organized or anything. Well, it's kind of organized, but it's not cleaned. I need to clean it up. And over here has a little drawer on this side, and then it has another drawer over here. And then it has this big freezer over here. Like that. And then it has a drawer. And then it has another drawer. So yeah, let me get started and let me pull everything out first, so that I can start cleaning it. Okay guys, so these are the products that I am going to use. This is just a microfiber towel that is damp. And I sprayed with Clorox, this kind of Clorox. And then I just let it sit in there so it absorbs the Clorox. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, I'm gonna start, Mommy. Okay? Let me clean. So this is how it looks before, and it's not very functional. It had another one right here, but I took it out. So I'm gonna lower this one, I think, because it's not functional for me. Or I'm gonna put these higher up and not use this one. I'm not sure, but for now, I took everything out of this section, and this section. So I'm gonna get it out and then clean it up in the sink. Okay guys, so I am finally done cleaning the whole entire refrigerator. Let me show you guys the end result. So this is a little overview of how it looks. I'm really happy of how it looks. So right here, I just put the tortillas and the butter and the sour cream and some jalapeno and sauce that I made, like a salsa. Right here we have extra milk, and then the little creamers for my coffee, some lemonade and some orange juice. Right here is just random stuff. You guys can see everything. Have an aloe vera plant little piece right there for my face. And then I just have random things right here. This is the deli and cheese drawer. You can see it right there. This is like veggies or whatever you want to call it. Looks nice and organized. Right here I just store all of the eggs in this container right here, built-in container. I love it. In this area I have all the salsas. Up in the top I have my V8s and then like a random beer right there. Just sauces, the normal. This drawer right here has some of my veggies, all of the veggies kinda. So lettuce, cabbage, broccoli and cauliflower and zucchinis and mushrooms and carrots. And I like to put this one on greens. You can select right here what do you want it for. This drawer just has a cucumber and then cilantro and then little apples and blueberries and kiwi. The very bottom one is my freezer. So I don't have anything over here. There's a little pocket right here. I don't know if you guys can see. That's the bacon, country fried steak, and then this is uncooked shrimp. And then here's my vegan stuff, my vegan beefless ground, my Gardein beefless ground, and my Gardein meatless meatballs, a random ice cream. And this first drawer has burgers, cooked shrimp, and then I found this one. This is chicken breast fillets, and then salmon fillets, skinless fillets. Then this other drawer, I have like the pizza pockets over there, corn, some tilapia, some quinoa burgers, and then this is Santiago's chili because I love Santiago's chili. Well guys, that is it for my refrigerator cleaning and disinfecting and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it once again, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.